Until last sessions, we have completed Vray settings. We repeated 2 times that in 2 sessions, we repeated the same settings again. You know what are the common settings we use it. You know which are the important settings we need to do it. Okay, especially environment we need or not. And GI, in the GI, Vray, we switch on the GI in the primary irradiance map and light cache. This is the main thing we do, reminding all filters and all, right? What I'm talking about, this, let me check. F10. See, Vray mainly here, global in environment, do we need to switch on or not? GI, we need to switch on this one, and irradiance map and light cache. It has a major 2 things we need to do. Then the calculations start to happen. Okay. So now, you first of all, we understand how is this room. Once you got, this one, I want to do it in a Vray. I want to do lighting as well as render settings also we need to do. Sorry, material also to do, lighting and material. Few material already I've given, some basic material I have kept it already, so you don't need to take a lot of time will take when you're doing for this books and all. You know that this is only image here, another image over here, down one image. There is a mistake here. Here you need to do white color. So that's only have done. And if you have any doubt on any objects to model it, you can ask me. I can show you individually. Okay, you can see here there's a coffee, right? How can we do this? We use noise modifier, little bit up and down. So you can give a coffee or tea color there. And this is a simple plane over here. Okay, there's nothing inside. Fake. Okay. Now, reminding, I think everything you can model. We have done this one, right, in a different aspect in last exercise. Correct. So these are the things what we're going to do it. Material as well as light. So first we will do the first things what we will do. If you want to check the material, you need to render, right? Then only you can see the material. So first things we have to set the render setting should be correct, right? So first you do render settings, F10. Common render settings only, I'm going to do it again. Frame buffer, keep it. I'm not switching on now. Filter, I'm keeping to Mitchell Net Travel. We always favorite for us. We do that. And environment we need or we don't need, we can decide. For time being, I'm switching on because we don't have any light. That's the reason. Later we can decide we need to keep or not. Okay, so for time being, I switch on that. Color mapping exponential, GI on, irradiance map in the primary engine, light cache in secondary engine. Irradiance map is kept to very low for time being to check. The quality will be less, maybe noise will come, but it's okay because we are checking only. And this one I'm going to do it maybe a 300 or 200, fine. Okay, so you want to render faster. These are the settings I have done it. I'm going to keep my, you see, actually I need to keep a camera and all. So before that we will render and see. Can you see, just I do the settings, a big difference happen in room, right? The shadow all comes proper. Few settings is there which I need to hide it because I need to show you this later. Right. This is the result what we have now. Few material I have given already. This simple material. Now see, it's look like a daylight, right? And very smooth shadows are. Why this light comes? Why we are getting this result? Because we open this side, right? See, there is a shutter here. I can close it. We kept over here. That's the reason it is visible. So we did the settings. The first job is to set the render settings. We have done that. I think everybody's perfectly fine in these settings. What I told you, it's very simple settings only 4 or 5 options. Okay, and I believe that you know how to adjust you want to increase and decrease the speed of render, which area we will go. Okay, that's only important. GI and current presets and this value. This will give you the speed of the render. When you're checking, you don't need to keep it 2000 and render and check. Keep it very low. Keep it 100 or 150, 200, 300 till maximum. Then render it. Then if fine, then you can go ahead. Right. This is okay. Next one. Before we need to do lighting and material. Before I just understand about the architecture, how the structure is here. It's a small room. Okay, there is a door over here. I want to make this door has glass. So light can come from this side. This is not completed because we are keeping our camera inside, so it will be visible only till here. Okay. Then there are some books and some simple small elements which we know already. Okay, so then we're gonna close it. If we close, how we're gonna see the inside? So we will be keeping a camera inside. Okay, so better the safe side. We will keep a camera inside. Then each and everything you don't need to go and check the material, right? I mean, we don't need to open and check. So you keep a camera. Control C, perspective and camera is there. So it is outside now. Okay, so we're gonna keep this one. Or do one thing, do a free camera, free camera. Modify 15 mm or less than, we do a little bit wide angle. 9, 10 and all, it will bulge it. Okay, we will check. Wait. It's an error. Keep the camera. Okay. In this file already used with this other camera, then we tried this for field of view and focal length already many times. Okay, that's why here we are using in the camera. We go to camera, we go to Vray camera. There is something called dome camera. This dome camera, you will be getting more wide angle and all perfectly than original camera, default camera. So we keep a dome camera here. 90. To check how it will look, see. So you see it is rotated. So you may need to rotate like this. Then you see the, from here you can see the screen here. Here you press C, okay? Then you see the screen here. You can go inside. Even if you want, you can rotate with this one. Okay. Now, control in the properties of this camera, you see this FOV, little bit wider. Wide angle. So we don't need this much. Select the camera. We keep a little bit inside first. Go inside the camera and render and check first. That's okay. Now it's visible everywhere. Otherwise, little bit down, you can do it. 78. A little bit white. So there was no confusion. That why it comes white, because I use many time FOV from outside, even from the perspective. So what is the solution I have done in this file? So this file which you're going to use, somebody else is already worked. Okay. So what you're going to do in create camera, Vray dome camera. Any questions? No, right? Just click the Vray dome camera, adjust it. You know how I rotate it from here. Alt and W, keep the camera here. Then you see it was rotated, then manually I have rotated. Clear. Now we did the Vray settings. Until now is fine. We did the Vray settings. We keep a camera. Now you see it should be inside, because even if I close it also, you know, it should work. I close till here. Can you see now what happened? It will be darker. because we close from back side. Only down portion we open. Light Y comes like this. If you do it opposite like this from here, if I'm going to do a little bit open from up only, down all darker, up you can see some light comes. Here all darker. Up is not visible though. You need to go from here, you can understand here. You need to do a little bit more changes than only. Now the light start to enter it. This is very clear, right? So for time being to check, we don't need this. We keep open, so we have enough light now. Enough light now. I'm going to do a glass material for this. So go to camera here. This one I want to do a glass material. This one also I want to do a glass material. Material, please note, okay? Select a material, because here there is no predefined material. There are which you can download and use it, but here what we're going to do it, we are making that material. We give the properties for that material. Material, assign standard Vray material, right? We know this, right? Always we use Vray material. In standard Vray material we are using Vray material. Vray material. Please note this option. Vray material. How I got it? One more time. Standard Vray material. Now it's a Vray material. Like standard arc and design material, we went for mental ray. Same like that. The color of the glasses you can do up. Up means near to the gray or black is fine. Reflection color white. This white means full transparent. If you keep here, less transparent. So full transparent. Reflection. Okay. Reflection white. Then reflection glossiness is there. Glossiness. Okay. This one little bit down. 0.93 something. Can you see that time here? 2 glossiness comes here. Specularity comes there. From 1 little bit down. Okay. Now what will happen? You know, until now, it will start to get reflection on material. For example, I will show you something. I'm going to do a different color for this. Okay. How it will look if you render. Object will have a reflection. I'm not keeping my camera. I don't want to keep my camera. Go to the, I want to check my camera there. Okay. That's why I'm keeping here. This is the material what we given. It will have reflection. Can you see reflection comes? It's reflecting. Okay. So here we are doing a glass material. So color gray, reflection white, reflection glossiness 0.8, 0.9. Okay. How much if you need that sharpness as per that. And refraction full. Full means full reflection. A little bit you can do up. Okay, little bit. This make transparent. Now you see it become glass now. I show you here with the teapot so you understand better. Okay. It's proper glass material now. Okay. Where is that Fresnel I added? Yeah. So one more time, glass material, I hope you note. Color gray, reflection white, reflection glossiness 0.9 or 0.89, 0.85, almost near. Then refraction color white. Refraction color white. That's all. Refraction color white. Then if you render it, you get glass material. Correct? This glass material I already given to there. I given to that objects. I'm not going to go take my camera there for time being. I'll show you with this one. Now this is glass. I want to give a name for this is glass. Next, what I need steel material, steel or chrome. Standard Vray material, assign color black. Black means gray. Don't do completely black. Reflection, you need more reflection, so down. And in what you say in your glass also reflections, you don't need to give full. You can keep it till here also reflection. If you don't want more reflection, you can keep it till here also. Okay, in glass also. So this one also I keep more reflection. This one I want to keep more reflection anyhow. Chrome. And same like refraction glossiness 8.5 or something, little bit more than glass. 8.5, it's fine. 8.5. This is the result I'm getting now, correct? Here there is an option called Fresnel refraction. Fresnel refraction. Before that, there is no refraction. What is refraction? It become transparent. Okay, if you touch this color, object become transparent. We don't want to make this transparent. Switch off the Fresnel reflections. Fresnel reflection switch on. You see drastic changes happen. It becomes steel material now. So that option, when you switch off the Fresnel reflection, if you switch off, it will change to steel. Why it's look like? Because it's reflecting whole white color. Okay, I will show you this material on different place. We want to do this material on legs here. Assign here. Assign on this border. Assign that's fine. Nowhere else. This one I want to keep glass. Okay, glass, transparent. We will keep little bit inside the camera. When you do it, use this one, dolly camera option. Move it here to see that area. The glass is there. Can you see the steel material now perfectly? See here, see the border, all steel material. So you study two things, glass material, steel material, right? Steel or chrome material. One more time. I'm just explaining to you what I have done in the material. Glass material, one more time. If you are noting, just check this. Color is a gray. Reflection, I told you, you can keep till here also for the glass, okay? I've seen many people keep till here only. They don't give full. It's fine. And this glossiness is 9. Okay, 9, 8, 9, 8, 5, something like that. Most important thing, refraction. Refraction means it become white, means full transparent now. It's a pure glass. Now you don't want to get pure glass. You want to give a light color, something like this. So what happened now? It won't be transparent. Now the glass is not transparent. Can you see a color tone here? Blue, 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 blue. I think because of the light, you're not able to see that. Now you will understand. I can see a blue tone comes on the glass. Blue color glass, It's better for maybe the chair. Hope you can see in the projector also perfectly. Right. Then go back to with my dolly back to here. This one, I want to do it glass, assign. These borders, I want to do chrome or steel. Go back to my camera. Now if I render, it's why this blue color? Because the glass color is blue, that's why. Glass color is light blue. Go to material, change the blue color reflection to white, go to black, white. Now it's pure, completely transparent. Transparent. So glass material, okay. Steel material or chrome material is okay. Two things. Just check this one. If this both are fine, then we'll give that similar kind of material everywhere. And I'll start to play with the light. So in this room, we're going to do experiment few things. One with all material. Second one, we will do with a different type of light. We have some object can convert to a light. And we do with our Vray light also. Okay.